My passion is jogging. I've been a runner since I was a kid. In the last couple years, I kind of picked back up tennis, and tennis is what led to my need for Game Ready. I was in the middle of a doubles match, went to jump up for a shot at the net, and when I landed, my knee just buckled underneath, and it felt like my knee had just moved out of socket and kind of came back in. Emotionally taking in the gravity of the injury was very difficult. I didn't realize exactly what a long road was ahead. When I first went to the doctor, based on his physical exam, he expected that it was very likely a torn ACL. My doctor did mention that not doing a surgery was not going to ever enable me to get back to exercise, and I'm very passionate about exercise, so not doing surgery to me was not an option. My surgery did go well. I used a quadricep tendon to reconstruct my ACL, and then he was able to repair both the medial meniscus and lateral meniscus. Immediately after having surgery, I had a different type of ice machine, and I really just didn't feel like that was getting cold enough, so I ended up using just regular ice packs instead. It definitely was very painful. So I ran into a friend who works for Avanos, and I let him know how my recovery was going, and he suggested that I try to obtain a Game Ready. That has been one of the best decisions since my surgery. I have a job that requires me to stand up on my feet for very long hours, but the Game Ready was definitely my biggest tool in being able to do that. Also helped with the swelling in terms of being on my feet. I would absolutely recommend the Game Ready to anyone, whether post-surgery, having an injury, really working towards a physical goal, whether that be running and a sport. The difference in it that the Game Ready made in terms of pain control, swelling, and just being able to function more normally has really been incredible.